Hi there, Jessica the Travel Pro here, and today I'm going to show you how and what to pack for a snowy adventure. Now, a lot of times these types of trips include some sort of a cold weather activity like skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, which means you get to bring a bigger bag. And if you're anything like me, this is great because I hate to be cold. Now, get started by thinking through the types of activities you're going to want to do on different days. Go ahead and make yourself a list and then start by making piles. I recently went to Denver and I spent a day snowboarding, a day snowshoeing, explored for 3 days, and just spent a day for travel on either side. And it's really important to remember that, say, if you go snowboarding in the morning, you are going to want a different outfit for later at night. Same thing if you're, say, exploring the city and you're on your feet all day in your walking shoes, but maybe at night you want to really bundle up and go to a show. Important to have those two different outfits. So as you're packing, don't only think, okay, I'm going someplace for 7 days. Think about the number of outfits that you're going to want to bring to do everything you want to do. Now, as you can see here, I've packed a lot. No matter what you've decided to bring, we recommend packing everything up in Eagle Creek's packet system. It's amazing because it helps you really compartmentalize, organize, and compress everything inside your travel bag. Check it out. Pretty cool, right? All of those messy piles are now neatly packed into these little organizers. I really like Packet because, as you can see, it's easy to see what's inside, and when your trip is through, they're totally washable. All right, now that we're all packed, it's time to talk about which bag to bring. And for me, I really love traveling with Eagle Creek's ORV trunk. I like this guy because, one, he's totally massive, plus down here, there's this awesome waterproof boot bin that actually extends into the main body of the bag. Now, I recommend packing all of your heavy stuff in the bottom of the bag first. And with that, let's get packing. All right, now I'm all packed and ready to go. I just want to stash my jewelry, toiletries, and my books in my carry-on item. Great. All right, now one other thing that I love about the ORV trunk is at the top of the bag, there is this nifty thing called the equipment keeper. And this is amazing because it's a great spot to stash a coat or other types of equipment like a helmet. Simply stretch that around like so. And now your helmet and your jacket is stashed on the top of your gear bag. All right, folks, you are now all packed and ready for your cold weather adventure. If you make it to the lodge, be sure and have a hot cocoa or a cold brewski for me. Happy travels.